I got this pumice stone kit to clean my pool tiles. The nice thing about this pumice stone kit compared to other pumice stone kits is not only do you get the pumice stone, you get 6 of them here. You also get a handle, and then you can put your pumice stone inside this handle. So then rather than holding the pumice stone, because it's kind of coarse and it's kind of rough on your hands, you can hold it with the handle here, and then you can do the scrubbing. So I can just scrub the pool tiles with this nice handle here rather than having to hold the pumice stone directly. And then when you're done with the pumice stone, once you wear it down to the bottom, you can use this little button here to push the pumice stone out, and then you can use the extra little pieces of the pumice stone to get in the nooks and cracks and in between the grout on the pool tiles, or just to clean up around the house to do all kinds of stuff with it. Pumice stone's a really useful way to clean things, but it is very coarse, and you want to make sure the area you're cleaning is wet, because otherwise you could scratch your surface. So it's a good idea to test it first on a little surface area, a little corner, to make sure it's not scratching the surface. But make sure you keep it wet and you pre-test it and everything before you use it. But other than that, the pumice stone's a great way to clean off hard water stains and to clean off different types of stains off surfaces that you can't get off normally. All right, there you go. There's the pumice stone kit. You get all the pumice stones, and then you get the little handle as well. So yeah, this kit looks pretty nice.